of our Phonics friends. Are you ready? This is going to be a lot. Let's get our bodies ready so we can learn. Let's blow a bubble. Get our wiggles out. Here we go. Let's blow a bubble. It isn't any trouble. Let it fly up to the sky and then go pop. Great big bubble. Let's blow a bubble. It isn't any trouble. Let it fly up to the sky and then go pop. Teeny tiny. Let's blow a bubble. It isn't any trouble. Let it fly up to the sky and then go. Awesome. Are you ready? All right, first, let's take a big breath. Stretch and wiggle because we got to move and sign our letters. Our first letter is Timmy Tiger's T. Timmy Tiger's T says t, 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 and he goes like this. You got to show your muscles because you're a big, strong tiger. T, 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 t. Timmy Tiger's T. Next is Umbrella Bird, and her favorite letter is U. Umbrella bird. So, to be an umbrella bird, we have to hold our umbrella on our head and put our wing out and fly. We go, umbrella bird. And that's Timmy Tiger. Umbrella bird has a hard hat. And that means she is a very hard worker. So sometimes she says her letter name of U, like in unicorn. But when we do her sound and signal, we make her short sound, or her long sound, umbrella bird. V. V is for Vincent Vampire Bat. His sound and signal go like this. We gotta take our vampire teeth, put them on, and we go v, v, v. Vincent Vampire Bat and letter V. W is for Willy Weasel. Willy Weasel loves the letter W, and he likes to wiggle. So you take your hands, put them together with your fingers, all tied up, and wiggle like a weasel. Wah, wah, wah. W for Willy Weasel. Next is Xavier Fox. Xavier Fox's favorite letter is X. So we take our fingers, we make an X, we go x, 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 and we made an X with our fingers. Very nice. Next is Yancy Yak. Oh my goodness, Yancy Yak got a telephone for her birthday. So she likes to talk and talk and talk. So you gotta take your telephone and you put it on and you go y, for Yancy Yak. Y, and her letter Y. The last letter is Zeke the Zebra. Oh my goodness. Zeke the Zebra always has to wait for his turn with his zoo friends. He's the last one. So guess what happens? Zeke the Zebra, his favorite letter Z, a lot of times he falls asleep. So he goes zzz, 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 while he waits for his turn. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Such a long wait. Are you ready? Let's see if you remember how to move your body and do the signals. Here we go. Timmy Tiger. T, t, t. Umbrella bird. And her letter is U. What was Timmy Tiger's letter? T. You remembered. U. Umbrella bird. V. Vincent Vampire Bat. W. Willy Weasel. Xavier Fox. X. Y for Yancy Yak. Y, y, y. And Z for Zeke the Zebra. Z, z, z. Very good. Let's do the signals and the sound, but no letters this time. Are you ready? Here we go. T, 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 t. U, V, 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 v. W,